The manufacturer says 15 minutes to install this, for the hardware install probably less, but to complete the whole task? Bet. Let's see who can do it faster. In this kit you'll get an internal SSD, a portable drive, and a USB cable and screwdrivers. First, set up the portable drive. Once plugged in, it will appear on the desktop. Double-click the portable drive, then the guide icon. Go through the setup, and only select the items you need. After the drive is configured, back up your data with the Time Machine, located in System Settings. Once the backup is complete, eject the drive and shut down the computer. When removing the back cover, you'll notice the top two screws are longer. You may need to pull a bit to disengage the clip that's underneath the back plate. Disconnect the battery pack from the logic board by pulling the tab. Replace the old SSD with the new one. Be sure to line up the notch on the SSD with the pin on the socket. Before reinstalling the back cover, don't forget to reconnect the battery back to the logic board. When replacing the back cover, press down on the center to engage the clip. Then, reinstall the screws. Reinsert the portable drive. Power on the computer, then immediately press and hold down the Command, Option, and R keys until the globe appears. Connect to the Internet, then the Internet recovery will begin. You will need to wait a few minutes for this to complete. You'll need to reinstall a new Mac OS before restoring from the Time Machine. Select the new internal installed drive for the OS install. Wait a few more minutes for the install to complete. Select your preferences and restore from the Time Machine. Select Time Machine on the portable drive with the correct date and time if you had multiple backups. Select your preferences and wait a few minutes longer. Restart the computer, then sign in. And enjoy!